Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Study of Science in a Simple Way. Today I will discuss what the factors which determine the rate of chemical reaction and what is that factor which govern the rate of chemical reaction. Now we discuss one by one and what factors which influence the rate of chemical reaction. Before starting my lecture, please subscribe my channel, please like this video and share this video and press the bell icon for new video updates. Okay. Yes, what is the factors? Number one, which determine the rate of chemical reaction is the concentration of reactant. Second factor which determine the rate of chemical reaction is temperature of reactant. Now the third factor is the nature of reactant species. And fourth factor is the presence of catalyst. And fifth factor is exposure to radiation. These are the five factors which determine the rate of chemical reaction. Now we discuss one by one, and in this video we discuss about the concentration of reactant and how the concentration of reactant responsible for the rate of chemical reaction. Now the effect of concentration. Effect of concentration. As you know, with the passage of time, the concentration of reactant substance decreases, while the concentration of product will increases, right? So, as you know, with the passage of time, concentration of reactant decreases, while concentration of product increases. As we plot the graph between the concentration and time, then you how the graph. This is the concentration. As you know, concentration is always expressed in mole per liter, and this is the time in x-axis. If we plot the graph between the concentration of substance, maybe reactant or maybe product or both. Here we take in both the concentration, reactant as well as product. With the passage of time, as known, with the passage of time, concentration of reactant decreases. Means initial time the concentration of reactant is high, and जैसे जैसे time increase करेगा, that's why the concentration become decreases. So the concentration of reactant decreases. This is the reactant. Because the concentration is higher, as the time increases, the concentration become low, decreases. While in case of product, the concentration of product increases. Concentration of product increases. So this is the graph which plotted between the concentration and time. Now, as you know, the concentration of reactant decreases in this graph, and the concentration of product increases with the passage of time. Okay. Actually, the effect of concentration is much more explained by two scientists. The name of that two scientists is the Guldberg and Wage. Two scientists. And the full name of that scientist is Cato Guldberg. Two scientists explain how the rate of chemical reaction is depend on concentration of reactant. Two scientists, and the name of two scientists is Cato Guldberg and Peter Wage. Two scientists. What about Heston? According to Guldberg and Wage, the rate of chemical reaction, according to this, rate of chemical reaction is directly proportional to the product means here multiply product of molar concentration of reactant, which is raised by its numerical coefficient present in balanced chemical equation. So, according to this, rate of chemical reaction is directly proportional to the product of molar concentration of reactant, which is raised by its numerical coefficient present in balanced chemical equation. Now, what is mathematical form of this equation? Like this. If A plus B gives out product, then what is the rate of chemical reaction according to the Guldberg and Wage? So the rate of reaction is proportional to molar concentration of reactant, only reactant. We focus on this concept. It is depend only on the reactant molecule, not the product molecule. Because in initial time the concentration of reactant is higher and it is minimum concentration, means zero concentration. So the molar concentration of A multiplied by molar concentration of If we remove this proportionality constant, then rate of reaction equal to K, A and B, where K is a proportionality constant, linearity constant known as rate constant or velocity constant or specific rate constant. Rate constant. The proportionality constant is said to be rate constant, velocity constant, specific rate constant या specific rate reaction. Specific rate reaction. Now, what is the specific rate reaction? Okay. If we take the molar concentration of reactant and reactant is A and B equal to 1, that is unity. In this case, rate of reaction is equal to K. Means rate constant is equal to the rate of reaction when the molar concentration of reacting species is unity. So what is the rate constant? Again, rate constant is equal to the rate constant is numerically equal to the rate of reaction when the molar concentration of reacting species is unity. Rate constant is numerically equal to the rate of reaction when molar concentration of reacting species is unity. Reacting species is unity. So these are the concepts about the rate constant. If the reaction is like this, example 2, means A have a small a more plus B capital B gives out product. Then what is the rate of reaction or what is the rate now? So the rate of reaction is equal to K molar concentration of A raised to the power its numerical coefficient. जो values के multiplying होगी, that value is raised in the form of power T. And B is like this. What about the rate constant? So the characteristics of rate constant. Number 1. Value of rate constant is directly proportional to speed of reaction. Means higher the value of rate constant, then the speed of that reaction is also higher. Now the second, its value depend on temperature. Means the value of rate constant is changed with change in time, change in temperature. Now the third, each reaction have a specific value of rate constant. Means हर एक reaction की rate constant की value different. Means different reaction have different rate constant value. Not the equal value, not the same value, not the similar value. Now the fourth point, rate constant is independent on concentration of reactant. Its value is independent on the concentration of reactant, means reactant की concentration क्या है, it is not depend on that. Now the fifth point of the characteristic of rate constant is unit of rate constant is depend on order of reaction. So what is the order of reaction? Which is discussed in that. In the next video, we will discuss the molecularity of the reaction and then order of reaction. So these are the characteristics of the rate constant. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and please also press the bell icon for new video updates. Thank you.